So, welcome live on air on this very sunny day, not only on Wall Street but also in Germany, where I am streaming from. Now, we said it yesterday and it's just happened today. Vaccine news is just pushing up the markets higher, and low expectations gives us a fantastic playground for companies that are now reporting their Q2 earnings that are a little bit better than expected. And obviously this pumps up stocks as well, like Goldman and Sachs this morning. But all about this in this stream, so make sure to let me know and smash your keyboard. Let me know where you are watching from. I see already here London is on the stream with Mario, our member, and also people from Canada, so highly appreciating this. First of all, let's go through the agenda. I want to welcome some members that joined since yesterday. We want to talk about the vaccine rally, what caused it, what we need to think about now, and so on. And then we will talk about the first Q2 earnings and how they affecting the market. Now, welcoming members is one of my favorite hobbies here on this channel. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm so grateful that you are joining here. We have Jack as joining as of yesterday to the ultimate wolf tier that is always giving you the one-on-one with me over social media or over email, whatever is more sustainable, what is more convenient for you. And then we have Calm Down, which joined us as a Wolfpack member to support the channel. Highly appreciated that. And if you're still wondering what is the most exclusive, the most valuable, the most best membership out there here in YouTube stock investing industry, then it's the Wolf of Dubai membership. Just click the join button below all my videos, below all my live streams. You will get access, or can get access, to our Discord chat, to chat every single day with like-minded people, super amazing guys and girls out there. And we have then also the one-on-one with me, so I don't think that anybody else is offering something like this. So very huge value. Let's dive into the vaccine news, because this is something that I said before, and guys, and I hope you are seeing the same now as me, that as more comes up, as more clear it gets to me that we were right all the way along. The only big reasons that brings the market down, according to the second wave, like we saw on Monday with California lockdown, and on the other side you have the vaccine news that popping out on Monday, popping out yesterday after the market closes, giving the market upticks, and with more and more time, we will see that the whole market will just dive higher and higher, because the second wave news will be slower and slower and slower. Because think about it, now we are going into lockdowns again in the US, some countries in Europe and other are handling it quite very well, and therefore you see that the next step is actually that the lockdowns in the US will go down, and then you will see that we will see more and more green as today. Let's have a look. So S&P 500 as of this recording is 1% up. Space, Virgin Galactic 2%, Tesla a little bit lower today, Beyond Meat a little bit higher, 3%, gaining a little bit since the 125 levels. I told you guys in many videos 125 is a very nice resistance. You can buy at 125, and you see at 125 exactly it bounced back to higher levels. Amazon a little bit, obviously a little bit lower because of the vaccine news. This can happen that it doesn't benefit so much of a vaccine, to be honest, right? Then we have Apple also winning one of a very important tax court case, I think, in Europe. This was the headlines, giving Apple another 1.5% uptake. And then obviously the travel stocks, right? Lufthansa, Carnival Corporation. Now Carnival Corporation, I think, as now As I'm looking here on my phone, it's up about 13% or so. So you see, those are really benefiting from those vaccine news, obviously, and we will see more of that quite a bit. And therefore, I believe it's now still the time of the value plays of companies that have to recover to those highs, and those are a good opportunity to get this 30, 50% maybe. But to get this hundreds or 200% gain in the stocks, then you need to have invested into growth stocks. There's no other way, guys. I don't believe that value stocks can gain, 200% or anything like that, crazy wise. But it's a more secure play for those people who say, I think that everything recovers eventually. So Boeing, on all these things will recover as well. Carnival, Lufthansa. But if you want to know the stocks that really 10x, then first you have to subscribe. Second, you have to watch, because we are talking about exactly this stocks here right now, those Tesla, those Virgin Galactic, those Beyond Meat, all of them. We are trying to discover them early here and invest together and have a lot of fun with it on the way. So let's dive into the Moderna vaccine news. So what does it mean? Moderna is one of those companies that are working on a vaccine, and they have now the next early stage human trial. Well, 45 patients, all of them got antibodies, which is fantastic, and obviously this gives a positive outcome for the whole stock market. The end of the tunnel is here, very, very close, guys. This is fantastic. And then we saw that the first companies reported their Q2 earnings, and look at this, guys. Okay, and I need to show you another graphic first. You remember we talked about that the very consensus is very, very low. Look at here, Q2 estimates are minus 60% estimate, and minus 44% consensus. So the people are thinking that the earnings will be very, very bad. And then comes a company like Goldman Sachs that heavily benefited from the trading during this very volatile market. Then you see a profit of 2.42 or a $6.26 per share EPS, versus an absolutely crushing and smashing, like you should smash the $3.78 estimate of the analysis. And then you see, if you have very, very low expectations. By the way, this is also a very good advice for life. So also here, life advice without Dubai. When you have very low expectations in life, then you can be very hardly disappointed. And this is also happening right now in the earnings season, as you can see. So here, this is happening with Goldman Sachs as of today. So as you can see, this is quite interesting to see everything plans about out how we described it over the last couple of weeks. And then also, if you haven't yet, guys, behind the scenes, a little bit of fun, posting, wisdom from the stock market and much more on my Instagram. Just follow me on Wolf of Dubai, Danny. And I would highly appreciate if you follow me there as well. And then I want to have a look into the chat. What are the questions are today? So Antas saying it's just a trial. There's the last phase placebo test. Don't get too, yeah. So so as you can see, it's absolutely in test, but it shows us that step by step we are going to see very much promising data and more development, which is absolutely fantastic. What else do we have? We have people from Germany, from South Africa even watching, right? And Kamal said that also restaurants and airlines are up, electrical car industry are down. So yeah, obviously, you know, all the convex stocks like airlines, like cruise lines, like restaurants, Cheesecake Factory, and call them all, are all up because of this positive vaccine news. Today, guys, I will post another video, so stay tuned on this channel. I will put a $500 price tag on Virgin Galactic stock with a timeline. So stay tuned, and I super highly appreciate that you all tuned in. Last minute. I love the streams, guys. You know, I'm traveling a little bit in Europe, recharging my batteries. So the streams are not like on daily basis, but I'm still love to make those. And we have people from Belgium, from Canada, UK, Netherlands. So all around the world. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for a little bit more later on this channel. If you're new here, subscribe and ring the bell. As always, smash that like of hours with my daily vlog.